Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss about another important term, that is back cross and test cross. So first of all, about back cross. What is back cross? As the name indicate, back cross means we have to go back. In the back cross, the hybrid is crossed with either of the parent. And we know that what is hybrid? We know that hybrid is that which is formed by crossing between two genetically different parent. Like if we have capital T, this is one of the parent plant and this is another parent plant and both are genetically different. इनके बीच में जब हम क्रॉस करवाते हैं, we got this particular plant and it is a hybrid. This is hybrid. I can write H here, and these two are the parents of this hybrid. So in back cross, what we do, we cross this hybrid back with either of the parent. That is called back cross. So I can show it again that what is back cross actually. Okay, as I have shown in this case, like this was the parent, another this was the parent, and the hybrid is capital T and small t. In this is the first parent and this is the second parent. Now we will do back cross. In the back cross, this first parent is crossed with the hybrid. Suppose this is a back cross, so what we will get here, we will get T and T. All the gamete will be same, but here two type of gamete will be there. Half the gamete will possess capital T, half will possess small t. Now when they cross together, what we will get, capital T and capital T, and this with this one we will get capital T and small t again. This with this one, capital T and capital T. This with this one, then we will get capital T and small t. So we will say that all the plants, this will be a tall plant, this will be a tall plant, this will be a tall, this will be a tall. So all 100% plant in this case will be tall. And when it will be tall when we are crossing hybrid with which parent? With the dominant parent. Clear? Now we will take the second cross. In the second cross, what we will do, this was the hybrid. Now we will cross this hybrid with its recessive parent, and this was the recessive parent. And which type of gamete will be there? Here two type of gamete will be there. Capital T wala gamete banega, small t wala. Here only one type of gamete will be there, that is of small t type. Now this gamete will fuse with this one. What will be the result? Capital T and small t. If this will fuse with this one, result will be capital T and small t. This will fuse with this one, it will be small t and small t. This will fuse with this one, again it will be small t and small t. If we talk about this particular plant, this one, first one, it will be a tall. Second one will also be tall because capital T is there. Here both the genes are small t, so it will be a dwarf plant. Here it will also be a dwarf plant. So what can we say? We can say that in this case 50% are tall and 50% are dwarf. And when does it happen? When we will get this result? We will get this result when the hybrid is being crossed with its recessive parent. Clear? So this is a back cross. So we can conclude now, back cross is that cross in which the hybrid is crossed with either of the parent, either the dominant parent or the recessive parent. But you should know about it, whenever it is crossed with the dominant parent, then all the all the all the all the individuals of the formed after their crossing, they will be tall. But if we cross the hybrid with the recessive parent, then in such case 50% will be tall, whereas 50% will be dwarf. Now question is, what is the use of these back crosses? Why we do this back cross? Actually, these back crosses are done sometime to increase the traits of parental traits in the hybrid. So as they have mentioned here one example, like suppose a crop is crossed with a wild variety. ठीक है, देयर वाज एनी क्रॉप विच वाज क्रॉस्ड विद अ वाइल्ड वेराइटी. क्यों? बिकॉज दैट वाइल्ड वेराइटी वाज हैविंग रेजिस्टेंस अगेंस्ट डिजीजेस. बट जब हम भी क्रॉस करवाते हैं तो व्हाट हैपन, देयर इज डाइल्यूशन ऑफ द गुड ट्रेड्स ऑफ द क्रॉप. बिकॉज जब हम क्रॉसिंग करवाते हैं दो जेनेटिकली डिफरेंट प्लांट्स के बीच में, तो वी गॉट अ हाइब्रिड, एंड इन दैट हाइब्रिड देयर इज डाइल्यूशन ऑफ जीन्स. ठीक है, वी हैव गॉट दिस वन, डाइल्यूशन ऑफ जीन्स इज देयर. Dilution होगी, one of the gene is capital dominant, another is recessive. If we want that it should have dominant only or no recessive gene should be there, so what is the possibility? What is the possibility? To this one we will cross it with this recessive parent or dominant. What we will do? We will cross it with its dominant parent. डोमिनेंट पेरेंट के साथ क्रॉस कराएंगे तो सारे के सारे जो नेक्स्ट जनरेशन के प्लांट होंगे दे विल बी ऑफ tall height. Clear? So this is about back cross. The cross is shown here also. Yeah, here. Yeah, this is a hybrid parent. This is hybrid. And this was a dominant parent. And these are the gamete. Hybrid will have capital T and small t. And the dominant will have small t only. And all the individuals are tall. But here when the hybrid is crossed with the recessive parent, then what we have seen, 50% are tall whereas 50% are dwarf. So this is about back cross. Now one more very important is that test cross. What is a test cross? Very important. Every time in NEET this question is asked, what is test cross? Test cross is a cross between individual of unknown genotype and its recessive parent. मीन्स अगर कोई ऐसा प्लांट है, कोई ऐसा ऑर्गेनिज्म है जिसका जीनोटाइप पता नहीं है हमें, फिनोटाइप तो दिख रहा है लेकिन फिनोटाइप देख के हम ये नहीं बोल सकते कि उसका जीनोटाइप क्या है, कि वो होमोजाइगस है या हेटेरोजाइगस है. सो व्हेन एन इंडिविजुअल ऑफ unknown genotype is crossed with its recessive parent, then that is called a test cross. This I can show you here. Yeah, have a look here. What is shown here in this diagram? This is a plant, this one is a plant, this is a flower, and the color of this flower is violet. What is the color? Violet. And we know that violet and white two colors are there, और violet वाला जो कलर होता है वो dominant कलर होता है. ठीक है, तो as this is having violet flower, violet color it is having, so it means one of the gene is capital W here, which causes violet color. But what about the other one? Whether the other is also W or it is small w, we don't know about it. So इसका जीनोटाइप इज अननोन टू अस. तो हमने क्या किया और हमें ये पता लग गया कि ये वाला जो प्लांट है ये वॉयलेट है. तो इट कैन बी वॉयलेट बिकॉज ऑफ टू रीजन. एंड व्हाट आर दोज टू रीजन? द टू रीजन आर, इट कैन बी वॉयलेट बिकॉज ऑफ either, if it can be violet because either it has this particular genotype or it can have this particular genotype. It means इसकी इस फ्लावर के, इस प्लांट के जो पेरेंट्स होंगे वो कैसे होंगे? इट मीन्स इस फ्लावर के जो पेरेंट्स होंगे either those parents will be capital W or they may be small w or small w. ठीक है, so we would like to know now that which kind of parents do they have. So what we will do now, so actually not the parents they are having, we want to know here about its genotype. इसका genotype we want to find it out. और हमें ये पता है कि इसका जीनोटाइप या तो कैपिटल W है या फिर कैपिटल W स्मॉल w है. इसका मतलब इसके जो पेरेंट्स हैं उनका जीनोटाइप WW हो सकता है या फिर स्मॉल w और स्मॉल w हो सकता है. तो हम क्या करेंगे, हम इसकी जीनोटाइप को जानने के लिए वी विल क्रॉस दिस प्लांट. Yeah, you can see here, this is the plant. Here, this particular plant is crossed with its recessive parent, homozygous recessive, small w. So, इसके जो गैमीट बने वो क्या बने? Small w. And if अगर अब हम मान लेते हैं, सपोज इसका जीनोटाइप हमने मान लिया कैपिटल W है, तो ये कैसे जीन बनाएगा? कैपिटल W will be its gamete. And after fertilization, what we have got? कैपिटल W स्मॉल w, ये भी कैपिटल W स्मॉल w, ये भी कैपिटल W, ये भी कैपिटल W. तो सारे के सारे प्लांट जो हैं, व्हाट इज द कलर? ऑल द प्लांट्स आर हैविंग वॉयलेट कलर. तो तो इट मीन्स कि अगर what can we conclude from here? Okay, let us check the second one also. यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया? Now we have considered, suppose I should change the color. Now here suppose we consider कि इसका जीनोटाइप कैपिटल W स्मॉल w है, और अब हम इसका क्रॉस करवाते हैं होमोजाइगस रिसेसिव पेरेंट के साथ ही। तो इसके गैमीट कैसे बने? कैपिटल W एंड स्मॉल w, और पेरेंट के गैमीट क्या होंगे? स्मॉल w। जब इनमें फ्यूजन होगी, व्हाट वी हैव गॉट? 50% आर पर्पल इन कलर वेयर एज 50% आर वाइट इन कलर। ठीक है, तो इसका मतलब क्या है? व्हाट कैन वी कंक्लूड फ्रॉम हेयर? फ्रॉम हेयर वी कैन कंक्लूड कि अगर जिसका जीनोटाइप हमें पता नहीं है, इफ इट इज homozygous for that character, if it is homozygous for that character as we have seen here, then what is the result? Then result is 100% violet. But if it is heterozygous, that is capital W and small w, then what is the result? 50% are violet in color, whereas 50% will be white in color. So this cross will help us to know about the genotype of this particular plant. So this is called a test crop. I hope this video is clear to every one of you. Thank you.